Jom unboxing. Dapat plug untuk charging. Features: alarm, slot memory card, built-in mic and speaker, night vision. Motion detection. Free mini USB cable. It's the mini camera. Size 2.3 inch x 2.3 inch x 1.3 inch. Wow, free mini tripod. Solid metal. One box. Mini camera USB plug wood. Mini USB cable. Mini tripod. Instructions manual. Attached camera with mini tripod. Remove the plastic. V380 of V380 the mini camera. How to connect. Point 1. Install V380 apps. Point 2. Connect the power. Wait for the camera to start.
Camera is starting. Please wait. Bluetooth is ready. Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
Add camera. Scan QR at the back of the mini camera. After scan, connected on all settings if needed. Connect Wi-Fi and key in your password.
Receive configuration information. Connecting. Network connected.
Wow, now we have mini CCTV. Can act like a walkie-talkie.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Interested? Refer to description in this video.